Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have another squishy package. So let's get on with the video and open these. Okay, so I opened it and I only saw one of the squishies, but I'm gonna let you guys see it first. So here's the bag. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with my pear squishy. Okay. Let's give this squishy a squish. Okay. Ready? Whoa. Dang. Kind of want to open it. We'll open it again. Okay. Next one. What? Is this an extra? It's an extra. Oh my god. Oh, look at it. Oh my god, look what's in here. It's an egg. Thank you guys. This is so cool. It's a bunny. It's a marshmallow treat. Oh my god, I'm gonna eat this. And this is just like an egg. Kind of open though. And then I have this. This is the extra. An extra. Oh, it's a keychain for one of the squishies. Okay, so we opened the extras. Thank you. Okay, so now, oh, I have two of them. Let's open the next squishy. Oh my god, this is so huge. My turtle squishy. I did not expect it to be this big. I think I'm just gonna open them now. It's so soft. Okay. Boop. I think I'm gonna open my pear one now then. This is so soft. Doesn't smell like anything. Yes. Yes. This is so slow rising. Let's open my other squishy. This one is, oh, this is my eclair squishy. There's this one. I'm not sure the sprinkles don't fall off, but see the back. And then my last one is my hamburger squishy. This is so tiny. Look at that cute face. This is so cool. So I'm gonna do like a quick, show you guys all my squishies again. So I have my turtle squishy. That one. My pear squishy. Slow rising. My eclair squishy. And then the one that you guys just saw, the hamburger one. And then my extras, which was all these. I don't even know what you call these thingies, but this is really cool. And then an egg. It opened. And then they got me a marshmallow tree. This is so cool. Thank you guys for the extras. I did not expect all that extra stuff. But yes, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video, and comment down below some video ideas. Bye!